In this video I would like to show you how to use WingCreator in the GrblGru program. First, we select a foam cutter model. Then we open the WingCreator dialog box using the button in the toolbar. Here we load a DAD file with the desired profile data. We can now use the various inputs to create the two profiles for the root and tip. Once all entries have been made and we are satisfied with the result, we press the OK button. Then we go to the 2D view, select a path with a click of the left mouse button, and create a cut job. Back in the 3D view, we can now start the simulation. To get a better idea of the process, we can also turn on the preview. The current default process flow is very simple. It cuts the upper and lower halves in one cut. However, it is also possible to customize the process using individual commands. On my website, you will find a document with a detailed description of the available commands.